I know dragons like donkeys, and some people call me an ass. They're mistaken. Oh my god, look at today! I'm at Chessington World of Adventures and it is going to be great fun. It's the annual pass day, which means it's the last day of the main season. It's going to be emotional. So the plan for today is to get my final rides of the season and oh my god, the ocean's on the floor again. New water ride confirmed, 2020. Anyway, back to the plan, head in the game because I've got some construction to report on, so I've got to have my reporting head on. Oh, where to start? He was a curious little chimp. Curious George discovers a drop tower. Oh no, drop this croc. I'll show you what happened to my other enemies. Yeah, that'll be you, Sobek. Dead and... oh my god, look, it's Captain Hook's hand. That's what happened last time he tried to fight a crocodile. I won't suffer that fate because I'm a hero, I always win.
It's over, Anakin! I have the high ground!
I was brave and victorious. However, Croc Drop was stronger than usual and felt very forceful. Must have been on top settings. Vampire time. It's been closed the last couple of times I've been here, so I will be fuming if it's not open today. And very sad because it's my final time to try and do it. Well, that don't look good. Probably train strikes. Been absolutely starved of my rides on the vampire. Oh my god, I hear it. It must have had a bit of a revamp. Do you like that one, YouTube? Okay, there's a bit of a queue. So I can't think of a better time to ask you guys to subscribe because I really want to get to 2,000 subscribers. Oh, and make sure you hit the bell. Thank you. Really means a lot. Back to the coasters. Reckon he's taking requests? Leave it in the comments below, Punjums. That was absolutely flying. Pardon the pun. Good ride though. Oh no, the crows are attacking vampire. There, get out of there. Saw me and got scared. Oh, look how zoomed I am. Oh, this rain is a problem. Pesky precipitation ruining my plans. God is having a shower. At least that's what I hope he's doing. Run to Gruffalo! Queues outdoors. I can't help but think that I've executed this plan pretty poorly. Rubbish. Seek shelter in my coat.
You look almost snug and dry.
Feels kind of lonely going around this on your own.
What are you looking at, Al? What are you looking at?
So Temu's boss, because I'm so masculine and full of testosterone, I need to get out of this rain because it's making me soft. Pick the one bit that's not a puddle. That was almost too good. This is actually insane. Oh no, my hood's down. Ready for the most epic puddle jump POV ever. That was stupid. So I had a word with my good friend God, and he made it stop raining. Just so I can go on some roller coasters like Dragon's Fury.
Look at it in all its glory. No! That is typical.
I know dragons like donkeys, and some people call me an ass. They're mistaken.
I'd love to have a conversation with a tiger. Oh, it says consolation.
I know it's been raining, but I'm already wet, so I might as well go on a log flume, and Tiger Rock is one of my favourites.
Oh, that sucks.
Leave it in the comments if you're sad. I'm sad. Yeah, it's been a bit of a slow day for me as well.
Tomb Blaster. It's not open or closed.
Just in a state of confusion. This ride better be open because I'm on a real losing streak at the moment. Oh my god, it's Croc Drop.
Spit it out, Sobek.
Well, it's just my luck, I missed it. Looks like we're on for a winner, and I'm a proper professional. I'm probably the only one who can stop these menaces. 17,365. I popped their clogs.
Low 5.
Oh my god, the Jaguar actually is completely done. Let me see how good the zoom is. The zoom, oh my god. Would you look at the size of that structure? Who wants to be in the video?
Yeah, everyone, all of us.
How tall do you think that support is?
50 feet.
50 feet? Can we get 60 feet anywhere?
65. 65. 67.
70, 70, have we got anything on 70, 72, 72? Have we got 73, 73?
I reckon I'll say 75. 75.
75, have we got a strata? In all seriousness, I think it's about 60, 70 feet. You can see the Jaguar is in final form. Oh, they grow up so fast. The station is fully enclosed. And is that the Incredible Hulk? You can see how the track is all in place for the launch out of the station. Oh my god! All of the supports are in place as well. So you can kind of get an idea for the layout. How in the world did I miss that? You can see the LSMs on the launch track.
It's much better, yeah.
The Jaguar looks so majestic at dusk. So beautiful. And there's one last look at the supports around the Jaguar, showing how the helix will wrap around that magnificent monument. My turn now, back open, and I love this ride. Oh my god, that was the most insane ride I've ever had on Dragon's Fury. I am 100% spun out. Anyway, thanks for watching. Ciao, legends. That was good, wasn't it? Please, sir, can we have some more? You don't have to call me sir. But here's your link. Click it. Sir Pun a lot would sound cool though.